Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and if you are a returnee, you are warmly welcome. So lovelies, today I'm going to make a review on a cleanser called Peau De Lune. This cleanser has three different types. Okay, we have the dark brown, we have the orange that has kind of like orange or peachy color, and we have the green one. Okay, so all of you are mistaken in using this cleanser wrongly. I've got a few questions asking me how to use this cleanser. Is this cleanser good for them? Is this cleanser not good for you? Some of you actually told me you saw a video here on YouTube that asked you to just use the cleanser and just use it just like that. However, this cleanser is good, but there's the one that is meant to use for a short term, and there's the one that is meant to use for a long term. Okay, long-term use and a short-term use. There's one that is made for a light-skinned person, and there's another one that is made for a dark-skinned person. Okay, all of you do not know how to use this. Okay, some of you just use it wrongly. Some of you use the one for dark skin for a fair person, and some of you use the one that is meant to use for a short term, for a long term. And at the end of the day, you say this cleanser is not good. Well, the cleanser is good, but you're not using it the right way. Okay, I don't know where you guys get the idea from that you get to use some for a long term and you just get to use anyone you want to use. It's not like that, please. It's not like that. So first I'm going to start with the dark brown one. Okay, this product is the same thing with the La 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 product. Okay, if you're using this or you're using La La La, is the same thing. Okay, they work for the same thing. These products and the La 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 product is the same. So if you're using this and you're using the La 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 product, it's the same thing. Okay, all you have to do is get the original and you won't have any problem. But first, let me talk about how to use this. Okay, when you are using this cleanser, if you have pimples, you have acne, you have spots, your face is rough, you have those kind of pimples that set blue, those kind of pimples that are boxing, those boxing pimples. And if you have those, if you're in that category, your face is in that category, or your face is very rough, please go for the dark brown one, or let me just call it brown. Go for the brown one. Okay, use the brown one to cleanse your face, to use it to cleanse your face until those stuffs are out of your face. When those stuffs are out of your face, when those pimples, those roughness from your face is gone, what you have to do is to go to the next step. If you're a black person, you use the brown face. If you're a fair person, you use the brown face before you move to the next stage. So let's talk about the dark person. Okay, if you're a dark skinned person, you're a caramel hot chocolate, those I don't know, I like those hot chocolates, those glowing complexion. Okay, so if you're a hot chocolate complexion, you're a dark person and you're done with the brown one, the next step you should go into is the green one. Okay, you can use the green one for as long as you can, as long as you get the original. You can use the green one for as long as you can. If you're a dark person or you're a brown skinned person, you can use the green one for as long as you can. But my advice is that you use it for 2 weeks, you give it a break, and then you start to use it again. Because what I've noticed with this cleanser is that sometimes it can just get used to your face, but not for everybody. Okay, not for everybody. You get used to some people's face and it might look as if it stopped working, but it did not stop working. Okay, what you have to do is just like give it a little break and you continue. Okay, so after treating your face, the brown one, okay, treating your face and your face is looking good, you don't have those spots anymore, you can go to the green one as a dark person. You can cleanse your face and apply your face cream as a dark person. Yeah, I saw a question on my video talking about face creams for dark people. I'm going to make a video on that, but not now. If you like this video already, hit the thumbs up button to let me know you like this video, and hit the subscribe button to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Follow me up on IG, shout me up on WhatsApp if you want to buy any skincare products, hair care products. I deliver worldwide. So let's go to the person's cleanser. So let's go to the fair skin person, the light skin slash the fair skin. So if you're a light skin slash a fair skin person, after using the brown one, you go to the orange one that has a kind of orange slash peachy cover. Okay, slash peachy cover at the top. Okay, that's the one you go to. I'm going to put a pic here on the screen for you to see after using the brown cleanser as a fair slash white skin or light skin person. You go to the orange one. That one is what you will use to clean your face. That one will lighten your face. Okay, if you get the original, trust me, it will help boost your face cream because it's lightening your face, and using a lightening slash whitening face cream, your face is gonna get white. Trust me, your face is gonna get white. Then the green one for the dark skin person slash light skin person, if you're using it and you're using your dark slash light skin face cream, it's gonna help kind of like maintain your skin and give that little lightness, but it's not going to lighten your face. Let's be honest, the green one will not lighten your face, but the orange one will lighten your face. The black one is not a lightening cleanser. The black slash brown is not a lightening cleanser. It's just to get rid of all those roughness from your face. It's just to get rid of those roughness from your face, then take you to the next step. Okay, I hope you've understand and you understood what I am trying to say. Yeah, so that'll be all for this video. Like I said earlier, the brown one is to use, the brown cleanser is to like clean every spot, every roughness from your face, and then you move to the next step. If you're a dark person slash chocolate person, go for the green one, and if you're a fair person slash light skin person, go for the orange one. Okay, lovelies, that'll be all for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to press the thumbs up button and hit subscribe to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next video, I always say remain blessed. Bye bye. I love you.